students. Today in this video I am going to explain the conditions to prove similarity of triangles. Already in the previous video I explained the conditions to prove congruency of triangles. In the congruency of triangles, we learned SSS congruency, SAS congruency, ASA congruency, RHS congruency. There are four conditions to prove congruency of triangles. Here, what are the important conditions to prove the similarity? So, here actually the triangle ABC and DEF are same shape but not same size. Here shape are equal but conditions should be applied. Conditions, you have to check the conditions, that is also very important. First of all, you have to check the shape of the triangles. Shape is equal shapes are there, but what are the conditions? The first condition is A. This is the first condition. A. What about A? Angle. So full form is angle similarity. A similarity. AA similarity means what? We have to check the corresponding angles. Angle A is equal to angle D. We have to check angle A is equal to angle D. And next, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. So, if you check angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. If corresponding angles are equal, then we can say these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Students, listen carefully. First of all, whether they are having same shape or not. This is the first one. After that, this is the first condition. So, corresponding angles are equal, then these two triangles are similar triangles. When we are checking these corresponding angles, automatically we can take the corresponding sides are proportional. Need not to check, need not to verify. So simply we have to check this. According to this condition, simply we have to check the corresponding angles only. After that we can take the ratio of sides. We need not to verify. We can take AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. So this advantage is given from this condition. Suppose if it is not possible, AAA condition is not possible, then second condition is, you go second condition, yes. If it is not possible, you go second condition, yes. What about yes? Here, side. Sides checking means we should not check the lengths of sides. AB is equal to DE, it is not correct. It is only in the congruent triangles. Here we have to check the ratios. What is that? SSS similarity. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Observe it carefully. We have to check the ratio of corresponding sides. AB by DE, suppose we are getting 2 by 3. BC by EF is also 2 by 3. AC by DF is also 2 by 3. Suppose it is 1 by 2, it is also 1 by 2, it is also 1 by 2. Like that, we have to check the proportionality of the sides. Then these two triangles are similar. Now triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Then without verification, we can take the corresponding angles are equal. Need not to verify. If we check this condition, what is the advantage? We can say corresponding angles are also equal. Need not to verify. Here also, if we check the corresponding angles, we need not to check the ratio of sides. Directly we can take. These are the options. Suppose SSS is not possible. One more option is there. What is that? SAS similarity. This is the third option. What is the third option? Suppose AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Angle B is equal to angle E. Here students, suppose you are taking AB by DE, BC by EF, then you should take the angle B only. This is the middle angle. B is equal to angle E. Suppose you are taking AC by DF is equal to BC by EF, then which angle you have to take? Angle C is equal to angle F. So this condition is very important. Suppose AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, then you go angle A is equal to angle D. So the angle depend upon the sides, which sides you are taking. From that you should take the corresponding angles. So totally, to prove the similarity, these are the three options. Suppose if this condition is satisfied, then two triangles are similar. According to this SAS condition, if it is satisfied, then you can take angle A is equal to angle D without verification. Angle C is equal to angle F without verification we can take. Simply we can satisfy this condition only. Remaining all are you can take without verification. So totally, my dear students, to prove the similarity of triangles, these are the important conditions. AAA similarity, SSS similarity and SAS similarity. These three are very important to prove the similarity of the triangles.